This is an overview of the master rubric and grading for our MB 7700 class. So what you're seeing right now is our rubric for this class. Unfortunately, Blackboard grades with the 4.0 mastery scale don't really work out. There's a bit of confusion and a lot of overlap, so I really wanted to make sure you understood what was happening with our rubric. If you look at our syllabus, it has your performance indicators. It's on a 0 to 4 scale, 4 being mastery, 0 being basically you didn't attempt it, and then every place in between. On the 4.0 scale, a 3 of 4 is proficient. On the GPA scale, a 3 of 4, the way we're normally seeing it, that's a 75%. So I want to make sure that you understand that the grades in Blackboard, so if it shows you get a 12 out of 15 and that score is really low, it would actually be a B in this class. So you're going to want to look at your rubric for your grades, not Blackboard. Let me repeat that. You're going to want to look at your rubric, which I will attach with every single assignment grading, and it will have your grade on it, not Blackboard gradebook. That is going to give you heart palpitations because your grade will look like an F, almost guaranteed. So when you get your assignment back, you're going to look at the attachment, and that will be your rubric, and notes will be in there. So let's look at the rubric in a little more detail. So you can see this is what you're seeing right now is performance indicator 1. It has 4 components, and all of them are assessed in new product assignments that is due in week 2. And all of these are written in the assignment detail section in Blackboard, but they're here as well. And the master rubric is housed in course admin right here. You can see it, and it will be housed here in master rubric. It's not attached yet, but it will be attached later today. And you'll just go in there for the master rubric on each of your assignments. And this is what the new product assignment looks like, which is the only assignment I have built so far, but you can see it. And those 3 bullets right there match very clearly with these 4 indicators. So what I do is say you got a 3 here, a 3.5 here, you did this one really well, and this one, it was okay. So I'm going to average those, and for performance indicator 1, you got a 3.4375, which if we look at our syllabus again, 3.4 is an AB. However, 3.4 out of 4, you guys might do that math, and it looks really bad percentage-wise. Again, we're on this 4.0 scale. Make sure this is your syllabus. This is what you're going to want to look at. So if you get a 3 out of 4, it's a B. If you get a 3.5, AB, that sort of thing. This shouldn't be new to you, but I know that I have at least one person, this is their first MBA class. So I want to make sure this was understood. If you have any questions about the mastery scale, which is here in your syllabus, the grade scale, which is also in your syllabus, or the rubric itself, which it will be housed in the course administration, please do not hesitate to ask. At the end, you're going to have 6 performance indicator scores, which are each worth 15% of your grade, which again, you can see in the syllabus here. It is 15% of your grade for each, and then participation is 10%, and that's going to be your discussion questions and your participation in those discussions. I hope that makes sense. Reach out if you have questions.